brace. Spending all my money on designer lately, yeah, hey. 100,000 on me, that's a lot of paper, yeah, hey. Out of my pocket, kick a lot of flavor, yeah.
I'm feeling cute.
Ice on my neck, flawless baguettes, hop off a jet, barely get rest, cash through the mud, I get a check. You selling run on my best.
What's poppin', hoes? I'm back with a makeup video, finally. It's been a minute, but I'm back with a makeup video, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, I'm going to be starting off by priming my eyelids with MAC's Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. This is just going to make our colors pop and be intense. Then I'm going to be going in with this baby pink from the nasty ass 35B palette, and I know it's discontinued, bitch. Just get the James Charles one.
Use my code LITLEX for 0% off.
But anyways, then we're just going to be using this as the transition, bitch, I can't talk, as the transition shade. And this is going to help because we're going to be going in with an electric ass pink right there. Yup, that pink right there. And we're going to be building this up. And you're going to have to build this up, blend it out with the baby pink, build this up, blend it back out. You get the rhythm, you know what I'm saying? Because it just helps. And two things, trigger warning, this shit is going to stain your eyelid. Get over it. It's not the end of the world, but it's going to stain your eyelid. It's fine. It'll be fine. And also, it's gonna start off very patchy, but it's okay. You know, you just gotta build it up, intensify it, build it up. It'll be good. Look at that. See, look, it already looks so much better from building it up and blending it out. Going in with this purple from the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette or whatever, and then this purple, honestly this purple is ass, I don't recommend it. But then we're going to be using a dense shader brush to really pack that purple in the crease. This is very important because this is what's gonna really make our look, you know what I'm saying? It's the purple and the pink dynamic that just, wow. Anyways, I'm using a dense brush because honestly, you need to focus it more in the crease, not all over the lid. So just build that up in the crease. That's what I'm doing. I'm going with the hot pink, the purple, blending it out. You know what I mean? Come on. It's honestly way easier than it looks. It's just super easy. It's just 2 shades. And this is what it's going to look like before I cut the crease. This is everything blended out, nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But then we're gonna cut the crease, but first, ooh, look at me, feeling myself or whatever. Look at me, she cute. Okay, anyways, that's enough of that. We're gonna be cutting the crease now. Now this bitch, this will make or break the look, ho. So be careful, take your time, be precise, it's okay. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm using a tiny ass Morphe brush because, bitch, we need precision. Get this hoe as sharp as you can so that when you pack on the glitters, I mean the shimmers, not the glitters, bitch, it ain't all that. But yeah, then as you can see, I'm just cutting it out. Be careful, hoe. Don't be sorry, ho, be careful, you know what I'm saying. Then I'm gonna be going in with this baby pink and like this purple metallic-y shades, shimmer shades. I'm gonna be using the baby pink in the inner corners of my eyelid, and then the purpley one on the outers of my eyelid, and it just gives a little pop, a little something. Then we're gonna be blending the purple. Now bitch, this makes the look. We're gonna be blending the purple in the corners. Yes, ho, get it. Look at me, feeling myself again. But yeah, we're gonna just be blending the dark purple into the corner again. You can kind of blend it into the crease if you're feeling it. If you're not, whatever. And as you can already see, it made a big difference right away. Like, look at that. We love it. And then we're gonna be cleaning it up with a crusty, dry-ass beauty wipe that I found in my room. Love that. But yeah, we're gonna be cleaning it up. Obviously, we got Fallout Ho where we were using colors. This is what it's gonna look like. I put my lashes on last, so far so good. Then this is my normal skin routine. I'm gonna stop talking here so that you guys don't want to beat my ass, because I know I'm annoying and no one comes to my videos to watch me or hear me talk. I mean, anyways, yeah. So if you want to know exactly my process for my face, it's literally in my first video, like literally. So that's what I'm just gonna do. So let me shut the fuck up for a second.
Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it. You know me. Turn the 02 into the 03, dog.
Black Caesar, they top keepers, diplomatic. It just begun. I'ma shoot them on my horn. Got 5 sides to me, something like a pen. Strike from the.
So then we're gonna smoke out the lower lash line with the purple that we used in our crease. And bitch, don't skip this step, because then you're gonna look ridiculous with some dramatic eyeshadow that's not complete. Like, look at that. Look, it already looks so much better. Next, I'm gonna be putting on some $2 eyelashes from AliExpress. Ho, you need to have dramatic lashes when you're wearing a dramatic eyeshadow look. Like, obviously, you need to balance out the look, so don't be using no chode ass eyelashes, because you're just gonna look stupid as hell having dramatic eyeshadow and barely any eyelashes on. Yeah, I got it in my eye, so what? I always get that shit in my eye. Then I'm gonna be going in with the Bretman x ColourPop lip combo. This is the Lit selection. I don't know the shade names, but yeah, that's the combo I'm going in because I couldn't find anything else. And then I'm gonna be highlighting, and I'm pretty sure I used the So Hollywood highlight from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And also, tip is I put it on my cheeks, like when I smile, because I have a round ass face. So that's just a tip if you need that. I did that. So basically that's it. This is a look I wear all the time when I want to wear like colorful eyeshadow. I fucking love purple and pink eyeshadows. Like, bitch, that's such a color combo. Like, yes, who is she? She's me, bitch. Well, anyways, yeah, so thanks so much for watching. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I know I'm slacking with the makeup videos because no one gives a fuck about all the other videos, but bitch, I'm here. I'm trying, you know. I don't have time to always wear like exotic looks like this, so this is actually super easy, and I really hope you guys enjoy and try it out. Thank you so much for watching.
I swear to God, all I do is cash out, and if you ain't a hoe, get up on my trap house.